You guys are searching for YouTube automation, and it doesn't make any sense. Why? So many people search for YouTube automation right now, you're not even making money on YouTube.
This authenticity is what breaks through the noise on platforms like YouTube.
You don't even know nothing about YouTube at all.
This authenticity becomes a magnet for viewers. Your insight that you are your niche is powerful.
There's only one way that YouTube automation works.
It's like giving people the map to treasure, but teaching them how to read it too.
Before you get into YouTube automation, you gotta learn how YouTube as a business works entirely before you get to YouTube automation. YouTube automation does not exist. Sorry, but guess what? You still have to do some work. Whether it's coming up with the video ideas, whether it's posting the videos, you still gotta do something. But thanks to the help of this video, you learn about YouTube automation and how you can get started with YouTube automation step by step. YouTube is a real business. As a whole, paid out $20 billion to their creators. The channel is a media company, and you producing content by creating videos to educate, to entertain in your channel. And your channel will be its own business. It's a voiceover actor, it's a scriptwriter, editor, it's a production company. You gotta frame your mind and look at it like that. Years ago, I tried YouTube automation without any knowledge at all. This is what I did. I went to Fiverr and I started searching for YouTube cash cow. Because I know YouTube cash cow is potentially YouTube automation. I didn't gotta really do nothing. My intentions were to hire somebody to create me a cash cow channel. I paid a guy like $180 for this channel, and he created the channel banner, logo, and created videos for me, uploaded videos to the channel for me. And after a month, I didn't get no views at all. None. That was a flop. I'm telling you this because I tried different methods as far as YouTube automation, and I had enough stumbling along the way to tell you what's gonna work and what's not gonna work. Save your money, don't go to Fiverr and try to hire somebody to do everything for you. I encourage you guys at the beginning of this phase to start doing some of this stuff yourself, because in order to get to YouTube automation, you got a ways to go. You gotta figure out the YouTube algorithm. What kind of content you have to create your clients, your customers, your viewers like. I would encourage you guys to go out there and start doing some of these tasks on your own. It's the script writing, it's the voiceover, it's the editor, it's the thumbnail. And even when you upload a video to YouTube, it's still the SEO description of the video, it's the title of the video. It's still a process. There's things you gotta learn along the way. Now we're gonna get into the cheat sheet. This is gonna shortcut you. I spent years and invested a lot of time learning about YouTube automation, e-commerce, affiliate marketing, print on demand, government contracting. I tried a lot of different things as far as how to make money online. Along the way, I learned digital marketing skills, marketing psychology. I read a lot of books that actually taught me how to make this stuff work, how to help me get a better understanding of the online business world. You gotta have an eye for how to start a real functional production business on YouTube. Here's the cheat code to YouTube automation. First, know yourself. Know who you are as an individual, because your channel is gonna reflect who you are. Me, myself, I like traveling, outdoor sports, ATVs, I like things like that. Stuff like that entertains me. I'm not into sports, I'm not into golf. We all have our own interests. The shortcut method to have success with automation is find a channel out there that you like that's already automated, and you get a team to automate the channel for you. You start searching through YouTube feed, searching. Automatically, YouTube is gonna suggest you channels. You probably already seeing faceless channels out there already, because in order to do YouTube automation, you gotta have a faceless channel. That way you're not in front of the face. Or you can take another route in which you hire an actor to be on camera for you, but that costs way more money than the method that I'm teaching you right now. You're gonna have a faceless YouTube channel, and you're gonna go in your feed and look for faceless YouTube channels and niches that you like, whether it's traveling, horror stories, whether it's body cam footage, personal development, stoicism, stuff like that are trending right now. So you want to validate your niche, and I'm going to show you how to do that in a moment. As you search in your normal feed, you're going to look for videos that's faceless. If you can't find any, open YouTube in the incognito browser and start searching. You're going to put in your keyword, whether it's traveling, because there are a lot of faceless travel channels out there. Scary stories. These are the easiest faceless channels YouTube channel to go into. Of course, celebrity drama is easy to get into, to have success real fast. You want to create a channel around gossip. There's a few channels that I saw that only has 4, 5 videos on it, and these channels are monetized. Stick around, I'm gonna show you guys them channels in a moment. Now these celebrity gossip channels, you wanna model those channels. You wanna model faceless channels. This is the formula, process. You want to take those video ideas, go to that channel, look at the top performing video, take that top performing video, show your script writer, your editor, your team that you want a video like this. But you make sure your editor can edit a video like that. You take the video over to a software. I use Visla. I can take the YouTube link to Visla and upload it, and it gives me an entire breakdown of that video. It gives me the transcripts and everything. See that transcript over to the video editor. The editor to review this video, add some key points to it that you want to add as far as humor, emotion, whatever. You want to change the script over, and you're going to create a new video just like that. You want to find a place that you can get in, because you want a channel that has at least 10,000 subscribers, but almost 1 million views on that video. That way you'll know that this channel has success and there's room for you to grow in this channel. Take that video idea over to your editor, your team, to your voiceover, and you tell them to redo that whole entire video. Start from the script, the voiceover, editing, and when it comes down to editing, make sure your editing style is better than that. Make sure the script is better than that. Make sure the voiceover has emotion. He's expressing it, whether he's talking about celebrity gossip, whether he's talking about football, sports, whatever he's talking about, make sure it is a real voiceover, because at this point, you can't use AI. There are a few AI softwares, but at this point, I wouldn't even recommend using AI softwares like to do the script, the voiceover, do the editing. You can't hire the AI software to do the editing right now, because editing takes cutting scenes up and putting transitions in and add emotions. But it does depend on what niche you get into. It does depend on what kind of channel you have, because you got to create the channel, you got to create the channel banner, you need a channel name, stuff you can use ChatGPT for. It can help you get some ideas as far as your channel ideas. You can use Chat for that at the beginning, and you can also use ChatGPT when it comes down to the video description. But you still want to humanize it. You want to take some stuff out and you want to add some stuff. And when it comes down to the titles of the videos, there is another software that I use, Tube Magic. You can use that software right there to help give you some video ideas. It's going to be a cost to start, just like any business. If somebody's telling you that you can get started with no money, they're lying to you. You got to get some skin in the game. You got to start investing in yourself. You're going to have to spend a couple dollars on either a software, hiring a team. This is a real business, so you got to go out there. The good thing about this is that versus a traditional business, because years ago, I had a contracting company. I was a full-time contractor. I had a team, framers, electricians, plumbers, an architect to do my blueprints. I had my team do everything. And my architect wanted like $1,000 for drawings. My electrician wanted $7,000 for each renovation. A plumber wanted about $9,000. HVAC technician as well. It's a real business model. And you guys gotta frame your mind, look at it like that. And also you gotta frame your mind to start searching out these faceless YouTube channels exist, so you can start modeling these channels. And then also, I would suggest that you get at least 10 video ideas for that channel and start posting videos. And you see what kind of traction you get on a new channel. Depends on whatever your niche is. Because me personally, I started with one niche. Once that channel had success, I started bringing in $100,000 a month, and it increased, and then I wound up doubling down. I started another channel to branch off that channel, because I knew, okay, this channel has success, and it's almost on autopilot, but I still gotta produce videos. Once I got that channel to the point that it was on autopilot, then I started another channel, and another channel, because I figured this thing out. Now I'm at the point like, I ain't gotta do too much, but I'm doing this thing for time now. I know I gotta put some time into this to make it work. It's a business, man. Come on now. I still gotta put time into this. The only thing about the automation process as far as YouTube is once you upload those videos, it can make you money for the rest of your life. That's the only automated process about this. And that's the most funnest thing about this, is the fact that this thing can make you money for the rest of your life off of one video. A lot of gurus say it only takes one video to blow up your channel. One video that can change your life. Final thoughts. Listen, you gotta accept this and take this in as a real business. You gotta hire a team, just like contracting. And I look at this like digital real estate. Here's another key tip. You got the channel up and it's making money. Let's say it's moving real slow. There are more than just one way to start making money with YouTube. There is affiliate marketing, sponsorship, print on demand, physical products, digital products. There's so many different ways you can make money. And if you guys want me to make a video about that, let me know. I'll make another video about affiliate marketing, print on demand, drop shipping, because I did it and I know what works. This is not a sprint, it's a marathon. This is a real business model. You gotta look at it like it's a real business model. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Like, share this video. I took a ton of time to make this video for you guys. Hopefully you guys got some value in it. I'm gonna leave a document down below You guys can take it and then just get started that way right there. I'm gonna have a list of the top paying YouTube faceless channels as well. You guys can use that to gauge and see what channels and niche you want to get started with. Let's go. See you in the next one.